Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. Goa police arrest two more Sanatan followers in Sankwal bomb case. Vinayak Patil and Vinay Thalkar arrested. Police say both of them were close associates of Malgunda Patil. Sanatan says such followers do not have peace in the Sanstha. Sanatan says government never raised any objection on their literature and writings. We bring to you a case where complaint was filed but police refused to do anything. Charge sheet should be filed against Sanatan for their proactive and communal writings, says Sanstha is a threat to national security. Devi Jagbai temple robbed second time in the same month. People say police are not serious about the thefts. And Chief Minister Digambar Kamath urges students to make India a superpower in sports as curtain comes down on 55th National School Games. And now the news in detail. Police have got a major breakthrough in the bomb blast conspiracy. Vinayak Patil and Vinay Thalkar are arrested. Both of them are residents of Ponda. Police have established their involvement in Sankwal bomb case. Both of them are associated with Sanatan Sanstha. Sanatan has condemned their act. Police are hopeful that this breakthrough will help them crack the entire case.
Police have arrested two persons in connection with the bomb blast conspiracy on Saturday. Police have arrested Vinayak Patil and Vinay Thalkar. Both reside in Ponda. Vinayak Patil is originally from Belgaum while Vinay Thalkar hails from Karwar. Police have also revealed that both had played a role in the bomb planting episode in Sankwal on Diwali Eve. Police have confirmed that Vinayak Patil and Vinay Thalkar are associated with Sanatan and were in contact with Sanatan's Ramnathi Ashram.
So in Margam blast case, it is obvious that it was one incident only. But since the jurisdictions were different, we had to register two different cases. And these people's involvement is established and therefore they stand arrested. And their links with the Margam case are also very clear and obvious, and we are further investigating the matter. They are associated with Sanatan. Please mark my words, I am saying they are associated with Sanatan.
Police have expressed a possibility of a mastermind monitoring the operations from distance. Both Patil and Thalkar were very close to Malgonda Patil and Yogesh Naik, the prime suspects of Madgaon bomb blast. Police have confirmed that Vinay Thalkar has completed his MBA from Goa University and Vinayak Patil was working as a driver in 5-star hotel.
And they are very closely associated with these people, no? Malgonda Patil, he was inmate at the ashram. आता मलगोंडात मास्टरमाइंड आशिल्लो का मलगोंडाच्या फाटल्यान आनी कोण आशिल्लो ज्या चौगू जाणांक कंट्रोल करतालो हें सगळें आतां इन्वेस्टिगेशनाचो भाग आसतलो. हें इन्वेस्टिगेशनान रिवील जातलेंच. आय एम शुअर की मास्टरमाइंड जो कोण आसतलो तो कदाचित असो भायर सरून येवन मरचो ना. सो देर इज अ व्हेरी हाय पॉसिबिलिटी की एक खंय तरी बसून सगळें कळसुत्रीपणे काम करपी असो कोणी मास्टरमाइंड आसूंक शकता. So investigation कळटलें finally.
Police further clarified that a common group conspired Madgaon bomb blast and executed Sankwal bomb planting. Cops hope to catch the real culprit behind the bomb blast after the investigation and interrogation of the first arrested accused, Vinayak Patil and Vinay Thalkar. After the arrest, the accused were produced before court in Vasco. Court has given 13 days remand to both arrested. Police have not ruled out the possibility of more arrests.
At this stage, anything is possible. Definitely more arrests are possible, so it cannot be ruled out.
Police have not ruled out the possibility of more arrests. Sanatan Sanstha has admitted that both the accused arrested are associated with Sanatan Sanstha. They issued this confirmation through a press note. They have even stated that such type of criminal activity has no place in Sanatan Sanstha, and if both accused have committed the alleged crime, then the Sanstha does not accept such behavior by their associates. Arrest of Vinayak Patil and Vinay Talekar have given a new dimension to the bomb blast case. It has come as a breakthrough for Goa police. Police are hopeful that they will reach to the root of the case. But more importantly, once again Ramnathi Ashram has come under the scanner. Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with our reporter from Madgaon Ramesh Naik Raut and from Vasco Surendra Madkaikar with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi for Prudent Media.
It seems that Goa government was never serious about the material published on Sanatan Prabhat. Social activist Prashant Naik had filed a complaint against Sanatan Prabhat for calling 15 August a black day. However, police did not even register this complaint, saying that they cannot establish an offence. We bring to you the story.
जर कितें भडकाऊ असत जाल्यार भडकाऊ आसा म्हणून आमकां अजून पण कोणें सांगू ना. शासनान तर एकदांय सांगूंक ना की तुमचें साहित्य भडकाऊ आसा म्हणून. आमी जी कितें मांडटा ही वस्तुस्थिती आसा. वस्तुस्थिती तशी ना जाल्यार तुमीच सांगा.
This is what Sanatan Sanstha Managing Trustee Virendra Marathe said in his press conference. He could not have said this if police had registered the case filed by social activist Prashant Naik. When we contacted Panji Town Police Inspector Sandesh Chodankar, he said they never registered the complaint. Social activist from Madgaon Prashant Naik had lodged the complaint on 20th August 2009 against Sanatan Prabhat, mouthpiece of Sanatan Sanstha, for appealing citizens to observe 15 August as Black Day. Whereas police replied him saying that there is no substance in the case and hence they are not registering the complaint.
सनातन प्रभाताचो 15 ऑगस्टाचो जो अंक आसा ताजी एक फोटोकॉपी दिल्ली तांकां जाचेर 15 ऑगस्टाच्या पेपरांत तांणी बरयिल्लें की सगळ्या लोकांनी 15 ऑगस्ट हो काळो दिवस म्हण पाळचो म्हण. स्वातंत्र्य दिन जो काळो दिवस पाळ म्हण आवाहन करता जो पेपर बरयता अशें म्हाका दिसता की दे आर एंटी नॅशनल बेसिकली राष्ट्रद्रोही. जेन्ना आमी कारवाय रिटर्न कंप्लेन दिल्ली ती आनीक हांवें फॉलोअप केलो एसपी नॉर्थ आनीक सब डिव्हिजन पुलीस ऑफिसर पणजी आनी तेन्ना तांणी म्हाका हे कॉपी हे उत्तर धाडली तांणी म्हाका. तांणी ती केस पर्वरी पुलीस स्टेशनार रिफर केली आनी पर्वरी पुलीस स्टेशनान बरयलें म्हाका की तुमच्या कंप्लेनी भितर कांय सबस्टन्स ना आनी ताका लागून आमी अशी तक्रार दाखल करून घेवपाक शकना. आनी आय फील दॅट दीस वॉज अ clear cut opportunity for them. They could have utilized this opportunity to go ahead against Sanatan Prabhat त्या वेळाचेर.
Interestingly, police did not find anything wrong in Sanatan appealing people to observe our Independence Day as Black Day. Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with reporter Ramesh Naik Raut and video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
It's time for a short break. We'll be right back.